I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to easily convert Google Slides to PDF. Step 1. Open the Google Slides presentation that you want to convert to a PDF. Step 2. Click File in the row of options along the top of the screen to open a menu. Click Download to open a submenu, and then click PDF Document in this submenu. A window opens asking you where you want to save your PDF to. Step 3. Choose where you want to save your PDF file to, and then click Save. You can access your PDF file at the location on your computer where you chose to save it. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.